prime position.
Wow, we're on the 14th floor.
On an earlier voyage of the Ruby Princess. This was the cruise before the ill-fated trip, linked to 20 deaths and more than 600 infections. Passengers from both voyages will now be drawn into a criminal investigation.
This is going to be an investigation like no other because of the sheer numbers of those that will be providing evidence.
Almost 6,000 people will be sent this electronic survey and asked what they saw while on board.
The investigation itself will focus on any allegation or any information pertaining to criminal negligence.
More than 150 passengers from the first Ruby Princess trip reported feeling sick when they disembarked in Sydney on the 8th of March. Those waiting to board the second cruise, that went on to have the outbreak, asked staff if anyone had been unwell.
The answer was definitely no. No one was quarantined and no one was sick.
Travellers say they had to wait 7 hours before boarding as the ship underwent a deep clean.
I straight out, point blank, asked them, I said, does this have to do with coronavirus? Are there any cases on board? Have the previous passengers? And they just, lovingly, just with a smile said, there are no issues.
New South Wales Health says no known cases of coronavirus have been linked to the earlier cruise, but it's unclear if that includes overseas travellers who returned home or crew who remained on board.
We've always had issues with that first cruise because New South Wales Health allowed that cruise to depart, despite knowing that there were unwell people on board in the middle of a pandemic.
4 more Ruby Princess crew members have tested positive, taking the total of 6 staff members to 153. Police believe the source of the outbreak was probably a waiter or an employee involved in serving food. When that crew member got sick and who knew is the likely linchpin in this investigation. Amy Greenbank, ABC News, Sydney.